What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have one of the essential art material we always make use of, which is the kneadable eraser. We are going to be improvising it. I'm going to be showing you how you can improvise it at home. That is homemade kneadable eraser. So now the materials we'll be making use of, we're making use of our normal eraser, which is the normal eraser we buy 10 naira, 20 naira, and also the one that we buy 15 naira, which is the Tiki 20 eraser. Here we are going to be making use of our sticker notes. So in case you don't have a sticker note, you can make use of any other melting material, any object that melts your hand, like cellotape, paper tape, anyone that works for you perfectly well, you can make use of it. So here, firstly, I made use of my sticker notes with the normal eraser that we use and clean our pencil work, and then I make crumbles out of it, and then combine them together to make it solid. This is what you see me doing. I'm making crumbles out of the eraser, trying to bring those crumbles together and form my own kneadable eraser. Gradually you can see. The kneadable eraser is very important in detailing. When we are done with our drawings, we want to put all the details, and most people will say they don't get art materials easily in their vicinity. So this is a go-to video anytime you want to make an impromptu kneadable eraser. Like I'm showing you can do the same. Like most art materials are very expensive now. So in case you are a student and you don't have much money for you to buy materials for your drawings, artworks, you can opt in for this kind of do-it-yourself DIY. So here I make use of, I was trying to use the Cellotape. Actually, it can help some people, but me, according to my observation, this is a no-no. This Cellotape is a no-no. It didn't actually give me what I wanted. I wanted crumbles, but it didn't really form the crumbles. It was just giving me something else. So right now, the Cellotape is not working for me. It might actually work for somebody else, but me, it didn't work for me. So now I want to use the Tiki 20 eraser with the sticky notes. I'm using it with the sticky notes to form my crumbles. As you're seeing me doing it right here. This actually wasn't, it's easy to make, but the time for you to gather all these crumbles together is amazing. But it works. I tried and it works. Just stay tuned to the end of this video because you will see the actual and final product. There's no even difference between the kneadable eraser we buy in store. There's no much difference between them. Just the color. And then the color is actually going to give you the same thing when you start working with it with charcoals. So it's going to be black at the end of everything. So the color doesn't really matter. But the work, the effectiveness is the main thing. And that's what we got. The paper tape right here. The paper tape, it's melted. It's melted. So it works just like the sticky notes. And the paper tape with the normal cleaning eraser, the crumbles actually came out well. The crumbles were just coming. See the way they are coming out. I love working with this normal eraser. I cannot forget my source because I started with normal eraser. Like seriously, see the way it's coming out. So rich. Like the Tiki 20 that was coming out small. This one is really coming out. I would have loved to have more of this, but our time was far spent, so I couldn't really gather more crumbles. But I love the outcome. I love the way the crumbles came out well. You can see me gathering the crumbles together, squeezing it together to form, let me say, a compound. Can we call this compound? See now, can you see the one from the white eraser and the colored eraser, and blending them together to get just one piece. The colored would overshadow the white. Very obvious. Yes. And we have our Kneadable eraser. Compared with the one we bought in store, there's no difference at all. So if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe for more videos every Monday. I'm your girl Kenny G Hats, always here for you. Bye.